hear me, Manu? You're muted.
Yeah, sorry. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear. Hello,
Yeah.
everyone. I think that's okay. Introductions. Tebilova and a software engineer and verifications engineer at Gaia. It feels good to be back, to be honest, because I tried took a much needed break, as Emmanuel mentioned in the tweet. So yeah, we went to like I don't know, cool off and touch grass. So yeah, we're trying to resume the streams again every weekend and stuff. So I'm excited to be here. Emmanuel is on this side of my screen.
Yeah. Hi guys. Thank you very much, Deblaba. So yeah, we're back. We're back. So yeah, as Toby said, we decided to take some time off the stream. So it was like a very, very was a much needed break, to be honest. We had like a lot of stuff going on, so we just needed to take that break. But glad to be back. Super excited for what's to come, and yeah, I hope we have fun and we learn along the way as we used to before. Yeah, so introductions. I'm Emmanuel, software engineer at Rover. Yeah, so I love doing open source. I love streaming, and yeah, I love being on my computer sometimes, not every time though. But yeah, happy to be here, and hopefully today's episode will be a good one. I think Toby's screen is frozen, or is it for me? Toby, can you still hear me? Confirm if you
Yeah,
can hear
loud
me.
and clear. I can hear you loud and clear.
Okay.
Can you
Seems
hear me?
like your screen, like your video is like frozen.
My video
But
is frozen.
yeah,
I'm
but
moving.
so yeah, you're
I'm
moving.
moving though.
I don't think you're
Yeah.
moving here.
Let me check. Let me check YouTube.
I Yeah.
'Cause-
So, but yeah, we're happy to be back. We have like 21 viewers already here. Don't worry, you guys are the forerunners. You guys are the reason why we're doing this. So, yeah, we had some comment already. Um, Hampley says yo, hello, GMGM. Yeah, GMGM
yeah,
everyone.
I'm moving on YouTube too though. Shout out to I'm Black. I'm moving on YouTube too. I don't know. Your network.
Oh, it's probably my network then. Someone just commented on from
Yeah, it says
LinkedIn.
it's moving.
Clement. Yeah.
It's moving.
So I
Thank you so
guess
much, Clement.
so I guess it's just me then. Yeah, yeah, I'm moving now. Yeah, I can see you move now.
uh, okay.
Awesome, awesome. Um,
So,
so yeah,
and so yeah,
what's been up now? What's been up, Toby? What's been up,
stuff.
guys?
Yeah, like
For
I would actually love to hear what's new with everyone in the chat because for my
exactly
own end, yeah, for my own ends, a lot of new stuff actually. I dove more into creating a lot more demo contents for agentic stuff. Um, I started doing some Solana things on the side. Currently I'm on like a
nice.
DeFi bootcamp, so I'm learning like Uniswap stuff. Yeah. So what else is new? Um, I guess a few other like personal things here and there, but actually really exciting. How much stuff has happened in the amount of time we've taken a break. Also, my talk got
Yeah.
accepted to Oscar Fest.
Oh, nice, 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 nice. I think Oscar Fest was cancelled last year, right?
Yeah, the
So it
last year
was
one was cancelled, but it's actually holding this
cancelled
year.
this year. Nice. When is he holding?
August 16th. I'm sorry, 14th to 16th. Yeah, the 3 day concert. I said concert. Um, what's the word?
Uh,
Conference.
Conference, yeah. It could be a concert too, so not like yeah.
Yeah.
So
Uh,
super awesome, super awesome, great stuff. For me, not much has been going on for me, but I was really excited yesterday, right? So yesterday we had the closing ceremony uh, for an hackathon that was hosted on the website I used. I was part of the development of the website. So,
Nice.
we were able to host I think over 2,000 participants for the hackathon, and we had like a lot of projects on it. And we had like judging on the website and stuff. So it was really awesome. It wasn't easy, right? But at least we were able to pull it off, and we had the closing ceremony, and it dawned on me at that point that wow, this is like actually real
It's
because
huge.
why we were building it, it wasn't. I mean, it was just okay. People having to use this, but at the end of the day, when you see the impact and yeah, because we had like participants across the world, so you see the kind of impact your stuff, the minor things you do is making sort of dawn on you that oh, yeah, this shit is actually real. So yeah, so a lot of other things to and yeah, but I think we would want to do. I'd like us to have like a session with the chat. Maybe not on this stream, but maybe going forward.
So you mean like an AMA session, yeah?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah, for that though, it could be nice to make that session be a Twitter space kind of session, yeah. Yeah, on Twitter spaces now you can share video. So that could be like a
Oh,
nice yeah, that could be
yeah,
like a nice session to hold. Or we could also stream it too. But Twitter spaces could
yeah.
just be nice because we can bring anybody up to come and speak and or stuff
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Yeah, I
But
agree with you. I think we need to look into that more because I feel like the interactions and all those stuff are like things that sort of
yeah,
like
for
keep
sure.
keep people
I agree.
active with us. But yeah, so but today we'll be doing open source Web3 and AI, as you know. So we'll be doing a lot of learning around the Web3 space myself also. As Toby mentioned, so Toby said join the DeFi learning platform, right?
Yeah, like yeah, I'm doing like it's like a cohort, like a builder cohort though.
Oh
For
yeah,
this one.
awesome, awesome.
So I like learning DeFi stuff and a few other things. Yeah.
Nice, 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 nice. Makes sense. So yeah, so hopefully we were able to contribute maybe to a few open source projects
Yeah.
and yeah,
So let's
and we're
dive in
able to
here.
go. Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, so I was like going through GitHub here and I saw a few repos that we could actually like check out and stuff. Let me know when you guys see my screen. Can you see
Oh
my
yeah, yeah,
screen?
that's it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, great, great, great. So yeah, I saw this like this one. This repo, yeah, although this is the last time a commit was made was last year though. But it had like a bunch of like crypto open source projects.
Oh,
So
okay.
of course Bitcoin, Cosmos, these are like really huge projects. Dogecoin as well. A lot of them as open source projects and stuff. Smart contract platforms also. What else did I say? Okay, the categories are here. Stable coins, centralized finance, exchange based tokens, meme tokens, Web3, privacy coins, AMM, metaverse, NFT, and gaming, and Internet of Things. There are also others here, like a few other, maybe like L2s or ZK rollups
Oh, this
that
is
are
life
available.
peer. Can you see life peer? LPT.
Yeah, I saw that here. Yeah, just
Nice.
now, just now.
Awesome.
Where is it? Yeah, Life here. Shout out to Life here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big shout
Life year
out.
was a huge highlight, yes, yeah, last year because we built a lot
Mm-hmm.
of stuff on
Yeah.
Life year from a grant that we got. Um, so yeah, moving on. So yeah, like I was saying, yeah, so we actually there's like so many things we can actually dive into here. But I want us to like take it step by step here and maybe check out a few projects, see um what that is like, see what contribution is like and sort of
Mm-hmm.
dive into that. Although also shameless plug moment, there's also Gaia, which is a really huge project that you can also contribute to on GitHub. because yeah, because we're actually currently running an OSS program, and you can actually just contribute to any of these repos. Awesome Gaia, the Gaia Node
I think
project.
you have like a chat, like a community of people contributing to Gaia.
Yeah, we actually do. We actually do. So I should actually include that on each of these reports for people that are looking to join, like a
Yeah.
link, like a link to the OSS focus group. What else? We have
I
docs
could even
also.
drop it in the chat for those guys that are here now.
Yeah, let me just copy the link and drop it for people that are looking to join. Let me
Yeah.
just take the Telegram link. So yeah, you can actually join the Gaia OSS group and get to do make contributions rather to like so many of these projects. Give me one sec, let me
And
just copy
sometimes
that link.
sometimes contributions, when people hear contributions, they feel like you have to do like build a very
No, no,
like
no, 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 no,
grand
no,
style thing that somebody has not built before. No, that's
no,
like
not at
totally
all.
wrong. So you
No,
could
not at all.
contribute in the most minute way you can think of, like the most smallest
Yeah,
contribution you
yeah,
can think of.
totally. Yeah, totally. Because yeah, that was one of the things I told people in the chat when I made this group. Like all kinds of contributions are welcome. So things from like issues,
Yeah,
feedback for the developer team, for the team or the project itself. You making a PR, you even reviewing PRs. Even you don't even have to like write any codes. Like you just can review PRs and like give feedback on that PR and be like, oh, I think this is something that could be improved or something like that. So there's like so many ways and that you can actually contribute without having to even make any crazy like contribution changes
exactly.
or commits to the repo. But yeah, you can come to the Gaia.org, check out the docs, check out some Gaia. There's so many of the repos there that you can actually make contributions to. And that should be ordered by stars. There's many of these repos that you can come here to make contributions to. So this four, for example, one, two, three, four, can come there to make contributions to many of these repos. But while that is done, data side, let's actually come here. So this repo was generated from this one, and this one is a super active project. So we can easily just find any projects that we want. This person has just one for crypto. Okay, maybe I see why that person forked this one now.
Oh, there are
This is the
lots
best
of
of, yeah. Oh, okay, so it's like best of crypto. Yeah, it's this one that it links to. So yeah, we can actually just go through each one of them. What do you think about it?
yeah, makes sense.
Or we can just
So
let's
I
just
think
pick one project.
yeah, you just have to pick one and go into it and see.
Trying to see project is trending right now. Maybe we can check out. Do we have Solana here, like the protocol or something? Oh,
I
okay.
saw Lana, yeah.
Solana is right here. So Solana Labs. Let's see what repos do they have. So let's start by stars, for example. So they have the Solana blockchain itself, of course. Um, okay, wait, this is archived. Where's the new one? Oh, okay, this is public archive. Public. Wait, there's so many public archive projects here.
Yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't order by stars then. Wow, a lot of them. Let me just do last pushed. Oh wait, last pushed, but it's now in a public archive. Or
Yeah,
when
I
was the
think they
last time?
recently just
Oh
checked it
wait,
was
okay, okay.
March
So it only has
2025.
every user only has read access according to now, according to
Yeah.
Solana. Oh, I see. But it looks like the foundation is still like managing this.
Yeah.
They have a contribution guideline. They actually do not.
I think they had before. Probably just removed it because of the open another guy. contains the SPL program implementations.
Okay, they've moved a ton of the programs actually. Oh, so there's like so many of these packages that they actually are managing right now, and that
Mm-hmm.
they've moved a lot of the algorithms and programs too. Let me see. Governance API. A lot of them are in like the public archive and with the read-only sort of access. But I think you should be able to fork too.
Yeah,
And you can fork it. But you're not accepting contributions. What may be the point?
exactly.
Uh, but there's like PRs and stuff there. But no issues. Is there? Let me see this bridge adapter, for example. Or you can come there to create issues too.
I'm able to install picture of that thing.
Or maybe Solana has a new org now. So going to their website, solanalabs.com. Let's see what they have. So they have
Oh, I
ventures,
think they've
incubator,
broken it
and
down
mobile.
to.
Yeah, so this is a very nice size though. Also, they are launching a phone, which is kind of cool. Wait, one sec. It looks like they are launching a phone.
A phone as a mobile phone.
Yes, I think that's what they have here. The Solana phone. Interesting. They're calling it Solana Seeker. Web3 mobile device. Yo, this is dope.
Wait, what?
Yeah, for real, bro. It's actually been trending for a while, but I didn't know the phone looked this good. Web3 mobile device. It's time for crypto to go mobile. That's nice. There's
Wow.
also an incubator program they have. Why does the site keep taking me back here?
They have a lot of things going on at Solana, obviously.
We're also cooking some Solana stuff on our ends, right? We're going to make an announcement soon, but very, very soon.
Yeah. Hmm.
So, but
I mean, if you are in the Solana ecosystem, you are definitely cooking
yeah,
something one way or the other.
yeah, exactly. So moving back here, I think this is just their lab site. I'm not sure they have anything too crazy going on here.
Oh, wait, start shipping August 4th. Wow. I'm looking forward to this.
Oh, the phone, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can just go
Yeah,
to like
let's.
the main Solana
Huh?
org, like the main Solana organization. I
Okay,
think
okay.
because most of these projects that were
Yeah, this is their main website. So the Solana Labs, and then this is the Solana Foundation. Yeah, these ones are managed by like the Solana Foundation. So if you went to their GitHub, for example, you should see. You should probably link it to Solana Foundation. Yeah, makes sense.
yeah,
So now on this one, we can find like projects. The Solana
exactly.
Record Service, Solana.com, the website that we just saw. This one can actually contribute
Yeah.
to it.
And then there
Explorer,
is Explorer.
Solana attestation site. There's a playground also. Oh yeah, I think we used the playground that day we were writing that program.
Mm-hmm.
So they actually forked it from somewhere, and then they made it be a playground for Solana. That's nice.
also Anchor.
Solana Pay. Also, this is their DeFi like their decentralized payments protocol. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
For example, if you wanted to contribute to this now, um, okay, they do have a readme on this. They have a spec
Yeah.
MD.
Is there a contribution?
No, not that I'm seeing here. Are there even PRs on this? Yeah, people are creating issues on PR. So somebody actually tried to make a contribution guideline.
Yeah.
When did the person make it? 2 days ago. Let me see what they did. Finding issues to work on and look for issues. This is a very straightforward contribution guideline, though.
Very straightforward and concise.
Yeah, actually,
Uh,
we can actually review this PR as a sort of um contribution to some
contribution.
people right now. Oh wait, so if you're using the Solana Pay SDK, you will do like npm test to test the SDK and stuff.
Is that before you even run the application or something?
Yeah, I think so. I want to even see if they have any tests.
Yeah, you can check the example. Yeah, graded. So they do have
So they have all
tests.
these tests here. So but if you want to contribute a feature, if you want to contribute a feature, what did the PR say? So install first test, then run formatting. But this doesn't kind of like walk you through maybe how to run the project
Yeah,
inside out.
that's one. So when you want to actually
Yeah, but
start
yeah,
with
the person is not working you through how you like manage the what's it called? Manage test the package itself rather.
yeah,
Somebody is saying there is neighbors noises, the neighbors are making noise.
yeah,
Oh yeah, yeah, Nito Emmanuel.
yeah. I'm actually an intro. I try to find, I try to find best,
Quiet
the
space.
best spot to get. But some way, the noises are still getting here somehow.
Yeah, this contribution guideline, I'm not sure if it will cut it though. You can, and that's the good part about reviewing PRs. You can easily just comment on this and be like, this contributing guideline does not work through contributors through how they can test a package locally on their projects before running the test suite. There can definitely be improvement on this though. But we can submit a review just like this. And to be honest, an open source day of work for you can just be you reviewing PRs. I mean, you need to have the knowledge of the stuff so that you don't sound like you're just spamming or being a troll. So you need to make sure that like you can actually learn from just reviewing PRs and stuff, and you actually learn like new stuff. So this is very active. People are actually trying to make contributions actively. So some of these
Yeah,
look like they are from last year. These ones are pretty new.
2 weeks
This
ago,
person made
updated what
two
activation.
yeah, exactly. This person made two contributions. So they made another one for um okay. Okay, this one's another. So this person has no description Oh, apparently this link has changed.
Transfer request slash wallet integration. We just updated
A link.
the
So
link.
this link was not again. Oh, it's a 404 page now. So they updated it to be this one. That's actually pretty dope though.
A very good catch.
Do you want to comment on this one? Maybe I can send you the link.
Yeah.
I sent to the private chat. Also, another thing that you can call out in the issue is that the person didn't write an issue description.
So
Yeah, the
this
person has
request
no
card.
PR description at all. They just changed the link.
No. Card description. Link to this. Yeah. And I think whenever you're making PR to open source projects, right, the issue, raising an issue is like a very important step, first step, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Because that will way to track or trace where exactly your PR is
Yeah.
able to
And you can even connect it to
do,
stuff.
right?
You're even able to like link the issue to the PR and be like, okay, this is what this person tried to solve. But also, even in this case, person didn't create an issue and then they didn't write the PR description. They just made a PR and changed the link. Although it's a very fair um contribution, but still, okay, I've seen your comments now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I think I can react to it. Okay, okay, okay. Some of these guys are from last year. Uh, this one is October 13th of last year. So this matter has been removed from the new version of Solana RPC and is no longer approved. So get recent block hash.
Available.
So get latest block hash config. Person changed it. Interesting. Oh wait, so okay, they made the change from the package itself because get latest block hash. Get
Yeah.
recent block hash no longer exists. Oh, this is nice. So they now changed everything. Oh, I see. Okay. So from create transfer and fetch transaction.
Yeah.
Yeah, this actually looks pretty good though. But then we want to leave that for like the actual maintenance. Oh,
Exactly.
Solana.com. Let's see this
Because I
one.
think it has to do that.
Yeah, that one is core. Uh, Solana Pay.
Was pushed
Done this
to
one.
non-eatable. So it's pretty old.
Oh yeah, this is Solana Labs, right? So I'm looking for Solana.com. So let's see issues. They have 15 issues. Yo, this repo is active. Okay, pretty active actually. Actually, it's very active. These are June issues that were created in June. Pull requests 9 hours ago. And somebody had like added like the AI feature thing to their website for the docs. Oh, because the docs and everything is together. Yeah. But there's people that are reviewing also. This person is maintainer.
Mm. Your screen is not. Your screen is still on that same.
No, no, I'm on Solana.com
Are you
now.
still on that same PR?
No, I'm on Solana.com now. Am I not sharing my screen?
Oh, I'm still saying.
Let me share again.
Um, it looks like my network is bad. You stop sharing now, right?
Yeah, but I'm sharing again now.
Okay. Okay. I'm Solana.com. Um, docs.
Yeah, I wanted to verify something from this their
Oh, so this
post.
is a PR for the docs.
Yeah, the person updated a bunch of links. Okay, so they are using Next.js from what I see. Yeah, they are using Next.js. So it's something anyone can easily contribute to. But then they now added MTX and everything to it. This is the most straightforward readme of all
Mm,
time. So contribute to Solana.com. Very nice. Yeah. And they're using Builder.io for the CMS stuff.
I think I might need to switch my network.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Seems like I can't hear you clearly though. I think it's my network.
Uh, I can hear you clearly and fine, to be honest.
One sec. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Loud and clear.
Yeah, I think it's my network. I think it's my network. One sec.
Okay, sure. Okay, so anyway, this person actually
Oh,
came
I can
out
hear
here to
you
check
now.
out. Oh, okay. It's probably your network then.
Yeah, it's my network. But you can hear me, right?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Alright, awesome. Awesome, awesome.
I'm looking at this person's contributions. So they came to add something called scrolly coding. They added a bunch of docs to their accounts. All these docs was not there before. But it kind of seems like they made a bunch of changes though.
Like, yeah. So this is
And they
like
removed some things.
documentation
Yeah,
on like code that's written before, right?
yeah, exactly. Oh, it's the same person. I
Okay.
think I recognize this person from somewhere. Uh,
Can you scroll down a bit?
so
Send
on the
it
changes,
as
yeah.
an yes, on the changes.
Scrolling down.
I'm seeing the GitHub. Oh, okay, okay. Account. Example document account. Hmm. Okay, I guess this is like This is like documentation on like code implementation, and
Yeah,
there's
exactly.
um, on on
But they actually made a pretty good amount of
event
docs
public.
changes though. Especially on this account, the MTX. I think they changed like the following fields and the fields and stuff. So they wrote like that part of it, wrote the docs to be this way and stuff. They also made some formal docs changes here. Okay, made some CSS changes, alright. Let's come back here, see what they have done. Can we do like a quick? I don't think we'll get access to this. Or will we?
No, I don't think you can. You going to
Yeah,
require access.
unless you have like keys to the org here.
Yeah.
Is there any other changes we can look at? Wait. Can you hear me? Am I frozen?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay, okay. Okay,
Um,
so back here.
oh, they even have this is like a normal Next.js
Yeah, that's what
constructed.
I'm saying. Yeah, exactly. For the website.
Yeah, so there's probably a lot people can contribute to. Because I see I-18 stuff there as well.
Yeah, it's in and yeah.
6 hours ago, it's even actively contributed. Didn't go.
Yeah, super active.
Copy as markdown, active ChatGPT.
Oh wait, GUI is what is the one reviewing this one. Look at this repo.
Oh, awesome. Send me the link. Let me check it. Online.
I'm looking at this PR rather. Let me send it to you. I saw his name there. I was like, what the hell?
Go is an OG.
Yeah.
Um, let's name this URL instead of HF. Oh, nice.
You check the changes, you see his reviews there.
Yeah, using the unlock the body of the component. Yeah, featuring it.
Oh, okay, okay. So the person made a bunch of like changes so that you can copy
Yeah.
pages as markdown and stuff. So that in case you want to use it on say any of the LLMs or something, you can actually have it so that it creates context essentially from docs. So that's very nice contribution. They just need to make those updates that were requested.
There's
It's
actually
very
a lot
tough.
of changes made.
What's it?
I said there's actually a lot of changes made.
Yeah, actually, I like from the reviews, a lot of changes needed. Okay, I think this is pretty good too for like a bit of like crypto stuff. There's so many projects you can check out. I think people should come to this repo. To be honest,
Hmm.
just come and check out this repo and see how you can like contribute, start getting started with any of these projects. Follow the standard guidelines and everything, and you should be like on your way to like making
Yeah,
contributions and stuff.
that's
So for AI, I want to try something. There are so many projects of for AI frameworks on GitHub. Uh, uh, okay, so this is a very nice framework. 10 framework. So a low code option to create voice agents with an easy to use workflow UI.
to create voice agents.
Yeah,
Can we see a demo? They have.
before you just have to record.
Or you have to record your voice or like a video.
It's saying to connect something here. Which has
Text comment.
with agents can talk. Yo, yo.
Can, can you actually hear it talk? Or is it
Yeah, I
just.
can actually.
Or
You can be like, yo, yo. Is it because I'm using my mic for this stream?
I think he prompted you to like allow microphone access somewhere,
Or
somewhere.
like permissions, yeah. I'm not sure if
Yeah.
I saw. Not sure if I allowed rather. Maybe I need to refresh.
Yeah. I think that
So
was the
like
purpose.
grants access to camera. Hey there. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah, I think it's because I'm using my mic for this stream. But this is a pretty
Oh,
cool agent too. So you can just like turn on your video camera and ask questions. I bet you can make contributions here. So you can even like run servers on it and make API calls.
mm-hmm. Mm. So this is like the prompt or something. Extension. Uh,
But they're using the Agora package, I think. I'm even trying to see like where they are using, what LLMs they are using and stuff.
yeah, check the packages. There's a packages folder. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything here though.
I think maybe they grouped. They probably have all of them in one. Where I see an Hugging Face folder. Open the example again. Open the login face here.
Login face, okay.
Mm, I
Oh,
saw
okay.
OpenAI. Yeah, OpenAI
Oh, they have like
Azure.
extensions for that. But I think this JSON stuff always translates to something on the 10 project itself.
Yeah,
Also, these are like
because I can
demos.
see
Like,
like
yeah, yeah, this is pretty cool. They have like tools that has been contributed here.
yeah,
So they are like extensions for the project itself.
there's MCP client. Gemini.
So they are like extensions.
Yeah.
Also, they built some of the extensions from scratch. Ah, okay, I see. So there's like several extensions that they have. So depending on what you want to use it with, this is pretty dope.
Mm-hmm.
Get it start. 10 framework. Something to check out in your own time because it's actually pretty cool. Pipecut, another multimodal and voice model. Pipecut, another conversational model.
This one is also voice, simple chatbot, things like
Yeah, they have support for all these LLMs.
Tropic, AWS, Azure, Cerebral, DeepSeek, uh, lots. Do you have a demo?
No, I think you have to run this one on your machine. So you can easily run it like this. Oh, you can install this as a module, say in your Python package or something.
Yeah,
But I
to
think they have
like use it.
examples.
Mm-hmm.
They have example apps here.
Oh,
So there's many of these examples you can run. This is actually kind of nice. So this is the app itself that takes in the audio and everything for these free
yeah.
states, for example.
So I think when you install the module, you can like
Yeah, you
call
can actually
methods
get access
from
to
the
these things.
module.
Or you
So
can
that's
run some
that's
of the demos too. Oh, there's another TypeScript AI agent framework here. Yet another framework. You can create like you can set up agents with this framework, both agents.
good
You can
agents.
set up agents with this framework. Yeah, I should actually try this one out though. This will be a very nice one to demo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a very nice framework. This will be a nice framework to check out. And the project is trending.
Yeah, and it's active
Yeah,
again.
I tried. Yeah, I'll try to run a demo on this with like maybe Gaia or something. Vote agent. If you have an OpenAI integration, then they definitely have something for. Then Gaia can easily integrate. Yeah, watch out for my demo on this Vote agent framework. Or an AI IoT framework also. So there's many of these projects that you can actually come and check out on GitHub. And even now that AI is trending a lot, there are way more even now on GitHub. There's like crazy
Exactly.
amount of them. Fabric is another one.
So this is breaking problems. So you also have to install this onto your machine.
What's it?
I said you also have to install this onto your machine. That's like,
Yeah, most of them you have to like run them on your machine. Writer framework, no code in the front, Python in the back. An open source framework for creating data apps. Nice. Wait, I think wait, you can use this to create AI applications. Like the framework itself is called Writer. So you can like set it up and you can use like set up AI apps, like front end and everything.
yeah. So pip install writer hello, writer
Yo, this is
creating
dope.
app. But do you still have
And it has
to?
like UI components. I think it has UI components too.
That's crazy. So you just have to tell it what exactly you want.
What to build. Yeah, exactly. There's many of these things out there now.
Hmm.
And that's a CLI that you can just use to run it.
Yeah.
Then you can create a demo app and use this writer framework builder to build anything you want. Full stack generative AI platform. Wow. Generative AI apps with a suite of developer tools. This is another nice framework to look out for.
Yeah.
There's pull request.
Remove or
Yeah,
use UI
remember.
plus about the dependencies.
Yeah, maybe once in a while you should just like scroll through GitHub here and just like check stuff out. It's actually pretty nice.
Hmm. See what people have been cooking.
Yeah, or even new stuff that you can use to write. You can use in your own daily workflows. Somebody built an open source framework to make AI agents team collaboration as effective as human collaboration, and they use React even.
Discover team of agents.
And there's so many of these like demos that they added here that you can actually test out and run.
Hmm.
I should just like live on GitHub and just be finding all these projects. Yeah, I found out this framework recently, GenKit. So you can actually use like Google's Gemini and other things to easily integrate with this framework.
Is it like Firebase? I see Firebase.
Yeah, it's run by Firebase because they're using like some Firebase backend stuff to run it, and their vector DBs and shit. But it's kind of like LangChain or Vercel's AI SDK.
Oh,
It's an
yeah,
AI
I see.
SDK by Google. Yeah, exactly.
You can integrate
Gemini easily.
several models. Yeah.
Yeah,
Google AI
I think they have support for several other models too. But they have OpenAI too and stuff.
and Anthropic. Awesome.
This is pretty dope. But we have to start
Yeah.
wrapping up the stream. Yeah. What do you think, man?
Yeah, nice and easy. Uh, but I think, uh, could you like drop the links to
Oh, the
like the
search.
links? Yeah,
Yeah, I
in
can
this.
drop the search link here. So anybody that is looking, you can just go through them, check out like each of
Yeah.
these repos, and I'm going to be doing like deep dives into a few of them because I'm going to be churning out some demos and stuff. So look out
Hmm.
for that though. But yeah, it was really nice to just like easily go through GitHub and find this
Yeah.
like project.
So if you are looking to contribute, you can just. I think the essence of having access to these links and resources is just so it's easy for you, right? Um, Instead of like running around to look for project in GitHub, you have like a
Exactly.
more focused search that you can just search through and check the ones that mostly apply to what you do. Um,
Yeah, are you just testing a project alone can actually be a huge form of contribution, to be honest.
mhm. Yeah, you can, last to be said, you can do a test, do a demo of the project, see how it works and all those stuff. And you could even post it online or something. So it's like another way of
Yeah,
contributing. So
yeah.
very
I
helpful.
think that's pretty much no, that's pretty much it. I'm pretty much done from my own ends.
Yeah.
Maybe from next week we'll start doing like more deep dive demos and like building stuff live. I would say a framework or something.
Yeah, sure, sure. So in as much as we are able to carry everybody along. So
Yeah, for sure.
while we are
Yeah,
building,
for sure.
we're not the only ones that know what we're
Exactly
building.
what we are doing.
It's like everybody's in on it. So that's like the purpose of building a public in the first place. So
Yeah,
I
true.
think so. That's it from me as well. Um, Happy to be doing this again with each and everyone. We had 142 people today from
Yeah, so
mostly
many people
from
joined.
yeah. So awesome, awesome, and thanks guys for showing up again. Uh, and yeah, it's been good, helpful, and fun
Yeah,
as always.
yeah. Thank you all
Any
for
final
actually
points?
joining, staying up to this point. 142 people. 142 of you that are watching right now.
Yeah,
Plus I'm guessing there's some other people watching on LinkedIn that is not being shown yet, and on
definitely.
YouTube also. I thank you all for actually being here, and I appreciate you all for coming. That's it for my end also. All right, bye everyone.
Yeah,
Catch you next time.
yeah. Thanks, guys.